Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a family to Uber Eats, have a shared account. So first things first, open up your Uber Eats app, make sure you're actually signed in, and then what you want to do at the bottom right, you want to click on this account icon, this profile icon, click on this, and then you want to scroll down, you will see this option right here that says family, manage a family profile. You want to click on this option right here. And right here, guys, basically what happens is you can pay for your family using a shared payment method. And whenever a family member uses the family profile, you'll get notified, and you can add up to 10 people to this. So you come here and click on invite family. You can only do this if you're 18 plus. And then basically you want to choose a payment method, that your family will be using. So you want to add the payment method, you're going to choose edit, add a credit or debit card, of course. And once you've added this, guys, you will see the option to actually invite your family, and then you can share them the link. Once they click on this link, then they will be able to be linked to your family account, your shared account. So whenever someone else wants to order, they can order from the same card. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.